What's up with y'all people, man? It's Golden Lotus D, man. Show y'all a quick way to get a good little warm up. I already done hit some pushes, so when I was doing them, I wasn't thinking about y'all. So I'm gonna do 10s, 30 sets of 10s, back to back, back to back. All right, the shortest break as I can for you to get your body going. You know what I'm saying? I'm semi already. That's just semi, so I think I'll give y'all this tweet. Here we go. Keep it pumping. 10 and 9. 10 and 9. Launch it. All right. 20. 20.
Get some, Darius. Get some.
Yes, sir, Mark. Enjoy your day, brother.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Peace and love, man.
Golden Lotus Fitness.
Golden Lotus Fitness, brother. Yes, sir. 30. 30. 40. 40. 80. Hey, if you're working with me, just to let you know, it's supposed to hurt. That's what you want. It's supposed to hurt. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. See, it's hurting already. How long would it go? 60. Hey, there go that boy right there. Johnny T, nigga. Talk that shit. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got us already bucking. 7. 7. Here we go. 7. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. Hey. 80. Back up in. Back up in. 1. 1. 1. 80. 20 more. 20 more. That's how you work right here. Get you a good pump before you get going. Let's go. 90, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Woo. One talk, man. One talk, man. 100. First 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 100 in there. That's first 100. 2 more, baby. I think I said 300. Let's go 3. Golden Lotus, baby. Back up on that 10. On that 10 now. Golden Lotus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10. 9 more to go, baby. It's up here in the mind. 20. 20. And doing number work while we jerk. You hear me? 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 30. 30. Johnny Taylor. Johnny T, baby. 30. 1. 30. All right, now follow it. 40. 50. That grunt now, baby. Gotta love it, bro. 50. Get back on this thing, man. 50. 50. 60. On a pull day, I'm stretching. 60. 60. 70. Let's go. Getting on that back end already. Ain't no plan. 70. 80. 80. Work, man. Work, man. 90. What? 90, baby. Ain't no talking. Say the word. 100. 100. Last 100. Let's finish better than the first 100. That's how you want to train. That's pushing yourself. Let's go. See that 10. That 10. Starting now. 10. 9 more. 20. 20. 30. 1, 2, 3. 30. 40. Eat, man. 40. 40. 50. 50. 50. 6. 6. 7. Snap time. Snap city. 7. 80. 9. 20. 6. That's how you warm up. You buying anybody. Right there. That's good work. GoldenLotusD. Peace out.